Everio GX series. Let's take a look. The f1.2 lens is twice the brightness of conventional types. Count on bright images with less noise, even in dark locations. With both the advanced image stabilizer and optical image stabilizer, you get effective camera shake elimination in any zoom range. The 29.5mm wide angle lets you include everybody in group shots and take magnificent landscapes. The GX series supports AVC HD progressive recording. So no matter which frame you freeze, you get a high-quality, fully defined still image. Capture your shining moment. Take stills in rapid succession, like you would with a digital SLR. And with high-speed recording, you can play back super slow motion, like this. Great for checking your form. The GX series lets you shoot like a pro by attaching an external microphone, as well as mounting conversion lenses and filters. Creativity and quality for the true enthusiast.